Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome to my channel, English for You, the English Gate. In this video, we will learn some new famous English idioms that make you sound like native speakers. Let's get started. The first one, he was born yesterday. ولد بالأمس أو شخص قليل الخبرة. If you say someone was born yesterday, he lacks life experience or can be easily fooled. Number two, face is melting. أشعر بالإحراج الشديد. If your face is melting, it means you feel very embarrassed or ashamed of yourself. Hit me up. اتصل عليا. It simply means to contact me. She is such a great fashionista. إنها عارضة أزياء رائعة. Fashionista is someone who follows fashion trends. Birds of a feather flock together. الطيور على أشكالها تقع. It means people with similar interests or characteristics tend to come together and form a group. It costs an arm and a leg. لقد كلفني الأمر كل ما أملك. If you give an arm and a leg for something, you are making great sacrifice or paying a huge amount of money. The proof is in the pudding. العبرة بالنهاية. It means that you can only know if something is good by seeing the final results. English for You, the English Gate. Follow for more, share, like, and subscribe.